How's everybody doing today? Dorian here from Artisan Vapor Company, San Antonio. We're checking out the new SnowWolf MFENG kit in the lavender color here. It's got a bunch of goodies in there. Let's dive in and check it out. So when you receive your SnowWolf MFENG kit here, you of course receive your MFENG mod, and then your wolf tank it comes with. Y'all might know from the mini kit that this wolf tank has an easy unscrew top, but it's a little bit different now. Let me show you what's on the back here. Your wattage range, 10 watts to 200 watts, all those goodies. Comes with your extra glass, extra coil, your wolf tank, your mod, user manual, USB cable warranty, and spare parts. On the bottom here, there's your authenticity scratch. The size is just blank. So let's open it up here. And I'm assuming this is the mod. Yep. SnowWolf Lavender mod. And then there's two parts to this box. Sorry about the exposure with the camera. It's a little bright in the shop today. But here's our wolf tank. SnowWolf. So what comes inside the SnowWolf box is of course the mod here. We're just going to take that out. I'm going to set that aside right now. Behind the mod you have of course your box for the USB cable. Right in there. Your, I believe this is yeah, please keep your original receipt card, your user manual, and then your little warranty certificate for QC pass. Now what's inside the other box here with the wolf tank? Of course I have our wolf tank. They're right there. It comes with a spare bubble glass. You don't see that too often. It's a spare bubble glass. Then of course your extra wolf coil. This one I believe is does it say the resistance on it? I believe this is their S coil. Not sure what the resistance is. We'll look into that later. I'll set that aside. Beneath all the goodies on top, we have almost the same exact thing in the other box. You got your QC pass, your do not lose receipt card, and then your user manual for the tank. So I'm going to go over this tank really quickly first. This is your wolf tank. It'll say SnowWolf on the bottom of it there. Get a 510 pin. I would not recommend this on any kind of mech mod, just regulated devices. The way you fill this guy, just unscrew this black piece here. And you got your fill port on the outer hole there, rather than the inside. The inside is where your vapor is going to come out. I don't think you can change the drip tip on this guy. It's all one piece. So, just so you know. You do have bottom adjustable airflow. 4 different holes down here. All you gotta do is pinch the little pink ring here and turn. To open the tank up, grab both metal pieces and turn left. Just like that. The glass will come right off. And there's your coil. So if you need to change your coil, all you gotta do is pinch your coil. I'm not gonna do it right now, but it's pretty tight in there. This is a 0.2. This one says the resistance, but yeah, all you gotta do to change the coils, pinch on the coil and turn left, and it should unscrew right out. And then vice versa for installing it. Let's put it back together real quick. And that has been the SnowWolf wolf tank. Alright, so here we have our SnowWolf device. It's got this cool gold wolf on the back here with the lavender version. We've got a 510, looks like adjustable pin in there. There's a flat tip. I wouldn't recommend it though. Just put your tank on here. You can see this is a pretty sleek design. It's very smooth. It's almost like a rubberized paint job here. You got the 2 buttons on the front. This is a dual 18650 battery device, so all you got to do is pinch your little fingernail in there, and it opens up the back door, and there's our batteries. Yellow batteries. These are 18650s that I'm using. And to turn on the device, we're just going to click it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's our screen. Let me try to get it to focus real quick. Okay, I think that's a bit better. There we go. Okay, so here's our screen. Obviously these left and right buttons here are going to bring the wattage up and down. Sorry for the quality, guys. I don't know why it's not. There we go. But the right button here is going to bring up your wattage. The left button here is going to bring down it. That's just the amount of power that's going to your coil. Always use the recommended wattage that's on the coils when you're using these devices. But to go into the settings here, we click this guy 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're going to see mode, screen, set, exit. In mode, we have power, stainless steel, TCR, titanium, and nickel. So power is just basically your normal wattage, so we're going to stay there. We're going to click this 3 times again. We'll go to screen. You can adjust the brightness, also the background. So let's switch to that one. That one looks a little bit cooler. We go to set. We have power saving mode and also your preheat settings. So if you want it to ramp up really fast at first, you can have it hitting at hard, normal, soft, or you can adjust it yourself. But I'm not going to do that. Let's put it back to normal because this is a new device. And we have exit, which will bring you back to your screen. Now if you hit this right button here and your fire button here, this is the fire button by the way guys, right here. If you hit them both together at the same time, it's going to give you the voltage of both your batteries. These batteries are a little bit off. I'm not going to be firing this device with these specific batteries in it. But I'm just turn on the device for y'all. And if you hold the left and fire button, it's going to give you a key lock. So that means you can't adjust these guys down here, but you can still fire your device. So that's a pretty nice feature. Okay, so that was the SnowWolf MFENG kit. Right now I've got a baby beast on here. We're just going to see how fast it fires and what it can do at 60 watts. So just for a reference on how fast it fires, I'm going to click the button. You're going to hear how fast it fires. It's at 60 watts. Let's vape y'all out. Before I do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you've never seen me before on this channel, it's because I used to do the San Antonio YouTube page, but now I'm doing the corporate YouTube page, so good to be on here. We'll see y'all next time.